Welcome back, Math Grizz. Today, we will find the surface area of a square pyramid. What is a square pyramid? Here we have a square pyramid. A square pyramid is a three-dimensional geometric shape with a square base. Here we have the square base, which means all of these sides are the same length. And we have four triangular faces that meet at a single point called the apex. Here we have the apex, and we have four triangular faces. Let's count them together. One triangular face, two triangular faces, three triangular faces, and four triangular faces that all meet at a single point called the apex. Surface area of a square pyramid. The surface area of a square pyramid is the total area covering the outside of the square pyramid. The square pyramid is composed of four triangular faces, and we know to find the area of a triangle, we need half times the base times the height. In this case, we have to times that by 4 because we have 1, 2, 3, 4 triangular faces. And then we have the square base. We know to find the area of a square, we just have to take this side length and multiply it by this side length. But since they're the same length, we can just say side length squared. So let's put the formula together. Surface area of a square pyramid equals s squared for the square base. To find the area of the square base, we need s squared because this side is the same length as this side, so we can just multiply the same number by itself, plus 4 times, because we have 4 triangular faces, and we know we find the area of each triangle by taking half times the base times the height. Formula for surface area of a square pyramid. Here we have a square pyramid, and here we have a square pyramid net. We know that we can find the area of this square base by taking this side and multiplying it by this side, or we can just say s squared, since all 4 sides on a square are the same length. And we know the formula to find the area of a triangle is half base times height. And we need to do that 4 times because we have 4 triangular faces. So surface area equals s squared plus 4 times half times the base times the height. Let's find the surface area of this square pyramid. The square base has a side length of 4 feet, and the base length of this triangular face is also 4 feet. And the height of the triangle is 3 feet. Let's write the formula. Surface area equals s squared, which is how we will find the area of the square base, plus 4 times, because we have 4 triangles, half times the base times the height. That means that s is 4 feet. We know the side length of this square base is 4 feet, and we will have to square that because it's 4 times 4, because we know squares have side lengths that are all equal, plus 4 times half the base length of this triangle is 4 feet, and the height is 3 feet. We know that 4 squared is 4 times 4, which is 16. This is 16 feet squared in here, plus 4 times half, and we can multiply 4 times 3 since we have to solve parentheses first. 4 times 3 is 12. So we have 16 plus 4, let's solve parentheses. Half times 12 is 6 because half of 12 is 6. That means that we have 16 plus 24 because 4 times 6 is 24. When we add 16 plus 24, we get 40, which means the surface area of this square pyramid is 40 feet squared. Let's find the surface area of this square pyramid. S equals 5 feet. We know S stands for the side length of the square base. And the slant height is 10 feet. Let's write the formula. Surface area equals s squared plus 4 times half times the base times the height. S is 5 feet. This square base has a side length of 5 feet. And we know we have 5 times 5, so we can say 5 squared plus 4 times half. The base length of this triangle is 5 feet, and the height is 10 feet. 5 squared is 25. That means that this square base has an area of 25 square feet plus 4 times half times, well, we have to solve parentheses first. 5 times 10 is 50. That means 25 plus 4 times half times 50, which would be 25 because half of 50 is 25. We have 25 plus 100. 4 times 25 is 100. If we add 25 plus 100, we get 125. That means the surface area of this square pyramid is 125 feet squared. Here we have a square pyramid. S equals 6 feet, and the height is 8 feet. Surface area equals S squared plus 4 times half the base times the height. S equals 6 squared because we have a square, and to find the area of the square we need 6 times 6 plus 4 times half. The base of this triangle is also 6 feet, and the height is 8 feet. 6 squared is 36 plus 4 times half times, well, 6 times 8 is 48. So we have 36 plus 4 times half times 48. Half of 48 is 24. So we have 36 plus, we know 24 times 4 is 96. And 36 plus 96 is 132. The surface area of this square pyramid is 132 feet squared.